6 all-natural ways to get relief from pregnancy heartburn. You don't have time for unpleasant acid reflux while you're carrying a baby. However, your normal treatment options may be harmful to your unborn child. Instead, here are some of the best and safest ways to treat heartburn while pregnant. 1. Have some yogurt. Yogurt's probiotics and soothing texture make it an excellent choice for eliminating, or at least dampening, heartburn. 2. Drink milk with honey. A spoonful of honey combined in a glass of warm milk may be all you need to neutralize heartburn-causing acid. 3. Have almonds as a snack. A handful of almonds may give heartburn relief since they have a lower acidity level than other nuts. 4. Eat papaya or pineapple. The digestive enzymes in pineapple and papaya have helped some individuals relieve discomfort. Eating these fruits after meals will help with digestion and minimize your chances of getting heartburn. 5. Add a little ginger. You're undoubtedly aware that ginger can help soothe an upset stomach. As a result, it's also a good option for preventing heartburn. Among its numerous advantages, ginger helps decrease inflammation and prevent stomach acid from going up the esophagus. 6. Chew sugar-free gum. Chewing sugar-free gum is another great way to relieve the burn. Chewing sugar-free gum for 30 minutes after a meal can help minimize acid reflux. While not every suggestion above may help to alleviate your discomfort, try them all and see what works for you. How do you prevent heartburn during pregnancy? After eating, avoid laying down. If you need to nap after a meal, consider sleeping in an upright chair instead. Use pillows to prop yourself up at night. To avoid nocturnal heartburn, consider propping yourself up while sleeping to neutralize the acid. Avoid eating before bedtime. Try not to eat anything 3 hours before going to bed. Avoid meals that are spicy, acidic, or fried. Eliminate any and all rich, fatty meals if you wish to stop the possibility of heartburn. Eat frequent small meals. Your pregnant belly does not appreciate being bombarded with a significant amount of food to process all at once. Eat meals more slowly. Eating too quickly raises the risk of acid reflux, so take your time and enjoy your meal. Wear loose clothing. Wear apparel that is supportive, but not constricting. Save your liquids for in between meals. Drinking beverages during meals might aggravate heartburn symptoms, so take little sips if you're thirsty throughout your meal. If you're wondering how long you'll have to struggle with heartburn while pregnant, the answer is usually for the duration of your pregnancy. Just remember, the end result will be an adorable little infant. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.